Hello guys, today we give you information about a tensioner and drive belt if you want to change in a VW Golf. This is not an easy job. For this one we need to be remove the alternator, we need to be remove the oil filter, and then we can access on the back for the tensioner, because the one bolt for the tensioner is on back. So make sure when you want to change tensioner or alternator belt in a VW Golf, you need to be take off the alternator and you need to be remove the oil filter. Then you have access to the tensioner back bolt. So always, if you try at home, please make sure you need a proper tools and you need a proper information. Otherwise, best way, just bring car to the garage and do in garage. Don't think that you can save us some money. Maybe you can save some money, but if you broken something, then maybe you spend more. So we recommend everybody, best way, just bring car to the garage, not at home. You need to be bring in the garage.